So I have a solution to the block heater situation for the 22 and 23 Maverick. Stock location's over here on the passenger side, and then you have to run the cord out the hood. Well, if you don't want to do that, I came up with something I think is a little better. This is your cord. It's plenty long enough. It starts out over here, goes down here. This is what I'm doing now. I'm gonna put some zip ties on that and make it all nice. And then now I have this little no-go bulkhead right there, and I'll show you underneath. If you look down here, this is where I ended up, under the driver's side. You pop your splash shield down. You can do this in your driveway. Pop your splash shield down. I have the inner fender out for clarity, just to see where I came through. Right there. There's my little noisemaker I'm going to delete. And then it just plugs into the factory block heater cord right there. And I've got it snapped onto the headlight up there. So yeah, quick little solution. I think it's pretty cool. I think it'll work on the 2-liter too. I'm going to check that out and see. But I do think it's the same routing. So, alrighty, thank you.